You only need 2 eggs for this pancake recipe. Welcome back to my channel. Now add in your eggs into your bowl. Use 2 medium-sized egg or 2 large-sized egg. Add in your milk. Add in any flavor of your choice. I'm using vanilla flavor. 1 teaspoon. Go now to add in a pinch of salt or adjust the salt to your taste. Then a tablespoon of sugar. You can increase the quantity of sugar, but I use a tablespoon of sugar for this recipe. Add in your flour, then go on now to add in half tablespoon of your baking powder. Now you're going to sift this into your wet ingredients until there are no lumps. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. And if you haven't subscribed to Debbie's Kitchen, do consider subscribing, do like and share, do comment and tell me what you think about this recipe. It's so easy to make, it shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to make. Now I'm going on now to whisk my butter until I make sure that there are no lumps and the flour is fully dissolved into the wet ingredients. I'm going to set my butter aside and go on now to fry my pancake. You want to use something to measure our butter so that our pancake can be the same size. First of all, you want to make sure that you brush your pan with melted butter. This will make your pancake not to stick and make it fry easily. And you just need to brush your butter once and it will carry you throughout the process of frying all your pancakes. Now you fry on medium heat. I'm just going to scoop my pancake into my cup. Now this cup will just make sure that the pancake they are even. Now I'm going to fry on medium heat. Don't fry on high heat. Don't fry on very low heat. Medium heat. You're going to see bubbles on your pancake and the color of your pancake changing. Once the bubble starts popping, then you know that it is time to flip your pancake to the other side. Allow your pancake to heat up for a few more minutes. Then you take it out and you set on a sieve or salvet. Now your pancake doesn't contain oil, so you're not straining excess oil. Place them, then you can top your pancake with honey or maple syrup and enjoy it whichever fruit of your choice. Now this is me placing butter at the top of my pancake. It is actually optional. You can decide to use any fruit of your choice. And this is me adding maple syrup to my pancake. You can decide to use honey, but I use maple syrup. Just do you. Whatever you have available in your kitchen to give your pancake a more yummy taste and look for your family to enjoy, you can do that. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Do like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye bye. Good to have you here. God bless you.